Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix no compare at price option in Shopify. So if the compare at price field is missing in your Shopify store, follow these steps to fix it. Number 1 is check product type and pricing. Navigate to your Shopify admin, navigate to products, then choose the product that you have to edit. Then ensure that the price is lower than the compare at price. So here you'll have to just ensure that the price is lower than the compare at price section. If the compare at price is missing, try adding a new variant and checking again. So you'll have to simply click on save here after doing this, and that will fix your problem. Now you can scroll down, and if the compare at price is missing, try adding a new variant to fix this problem. So scroll down and choose to add a new variant under variants like options like size or color. Click on plus icon, choose variant type. You can also create a custom option. Simply enter your option name and values and click on done, and that will add your variant. And after doing this, you will see your compare at price appearing just right here. Now after doing this, click on save. Second way to fix this problem is enabling compare at price for variants. So if your product has multiple variants, click edit under a variant. Scroll down on the products page, and under variant, simply click on any of the variant, and that will take you to this page where you can easily choose the compare at price section. So scroll down to the pricing section here and enter your compare at price manually, save changes and repeat for other variants. Now, third way to fix this problem is checking for your Shopify theme settings. You can simply navigate to your online store, click on settings at the bottom left of the screen, and this will take you to this page. Here you'll have to basically click on online store, then navigate to themes, and here you'll have to click on the customize icon, and here you'll have to check the product page settings for an option to enable it. Now, fourth way to fix this problem is switch to a default Shopify theme. Some third-party themes don't support compare at price. Try switching to Dawn theme to see if the option reappears. You can also try to clear your cache and try a different browser. Navigate to three-lined icon at the top right of your screen and click on settings. Now, navigate to privacy search and services, scroll down, click on choose what to clear, and here you'll have to choose cookie and other site data, then click on clear now, and that will instantly fix your problem. You can also update to Shopify or contact support. So if none of these steps work, you can contact Shopify support and they will enable this feature on your Shopify store. And after these steps, the compare at price option should appear correctly. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.